once I'd learned Autotile, it just saved so much time. I could do in 60 seconds what would take 45 minutes before. Now, autotiles for Godot are a little bit difficult to explain, but I'm going to try my very best in this video to teach you exactly what helped me and how I learnt autotiles for Godot. Select your tile map and then tile sets, and then you'll find terrains in the inspector. Then you can pick a matching configuration node, and this is a bit that actually confuses people, but it's nothing to really worry about. You can choose match corners, and if you've got a very simple tile set, this is often enough. We'll stick to match corners and sides in this video. We can name our terrain and select a color that makes sense, something that is contrasting to the actual tile set so we can see it easily. And now we can start to paint our tiles. The easiest way to think of this is to paint the floors and not the walls. That's the one rule that really helps with auto tiles. Paint the floors, ignore the walls. Our dirt is actually the floor here, the path we walk on. So I will paint all the dirt sections, and then because the grass is like the wall, even just painting these initial tiles already, we'll be able to map some decent terrains into our tile map layer. But we are somewhat restricted, so we are going to go back and paint every other tile with our terrain tool. In this video, all of the pixel art assets you see are ones I've drawn and I actually have available for sale on itch.io, so feel free to check that out in the description and pinned comment below. They're fully auto tile ready for your games. If you do choose to draw your own pixel art, then just make sure you have a layout similar to this and use these 47 tiles, and that will give you everything you need for the Godot auto tile. So now we can go to our tile map, pick terrain mode, select the terrain, and we can draw. Big rectangle, let's get it done. And we can make some really interesting shapes and lay out our world exactly as we need to really quickly. Now, if you're not using a top-down tile set like this one, let's take a look at one of my platformer tile sets, and we'll do a platformer example as well. For our platformer tiles, we need to paint the walls and leave the floor. So it's a little bit different, but the theory is the same. So the 45-minute job to build a simple path or just a basic platform level now just takes seconds. If you want to jump straight into just building your own levels in Godot, then links to my pixel art packs are down in the description below. They are auto tile ready and perfect for this kind of thing. Don't wait like I did to start implementing auto tile into your workflow. Learn it, it's super valuable, and you'll save a ton of time designing levels. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.